Hey guys, what's up? This is Trainman/TechGuy here, and welcome back to another live video. Today I am going to be playing Tornado Siren map on Roblox. So before we get started, if you like this live video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my new live videos. So anyways, without any other hesitations, let's get started. So there's the Robloxia Weather Center. Now keep in mind, I did make a video about this in this game too on my other channel, but it's not live, so we're still waiting for I think we're still waiting for some stuff to load here, the radios and stuff. I think the radio in the basement is already so there's the map right there. So there's a slight risk, which is yellow. No weather warnings at the moment, so this will change color. If it says severe thunderstorm warning, it will change to orange, and it will change the and then if it's a tornado warning, it'll change to red, and the words will change as well to that. So if it's white like that, then, and if it says no weather warning, and if it's the color white, then there's no weather warnings at the moment. So there are no clouds at this time. And there's your tornado indicators, I believe it is. Shows you the mesocyclone or mesocyclone, and then it shows you the EF tornadoes, and then shows you the danger of it, and then it shows you the mile/per-hour wind speeds. Then you just got your compass rose right there. The elevator, not an option. So maybe there it is. Alright, let's go upstairs really quick. Very cloudy. Oh, that's a video pro. Alright, so we gotta go downstairs now. Alright, so you're going. So watch on the left side of the screen. Yeah, just watch on the left side of the screen. You'll see a change. Right, give it a minute again. Sorry, I'm just trying to adjust it. So if you're hearing rubbing noises, so yeah, I do apologize. You'll just watch on the left side of the screen, and you'll watch the radio and that little LED light. You'll see it come up on the moment. We're gonna, there it is. It changed. There it is. Let's listen. Hold on. And then it says severe thunderstorm warning EAS.
National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, western Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin until 6:30 p.m. At 5:38 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Lake Geneva and moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Elkhorn, Lake Geneva, Twin Lakes, East Troy, Union Grove, Wind Lake, Genoa City, Pell Lake, Powers Lake, Otters Lake, Silver Lake, Burlington Airport, Browns Lake, Potter Lake, Rochester, Eagle Lake, Waterford North, Tibbetts, Abel's Corners, and Spring Prairie. This storm has exhibited some weak rotation. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although what is not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room.
So as you just heard, that was the severe thunderstorm warning. The severe tornado warning, which is going to be happening very soon. It's right above us. We gotta go downstairs. Yeah, so as you see, it's right kind of above us. And it's moving. And so, watch on the left, or continue watching to the left, and you'll see a change. And then also keep an eye on the LCD screen on the radio and the so it'll change to tornado warning whenever it does. And also watch the My Cyclone. You'll see a tornado pop up on it. Oh, there it is. It just changed. Here we go. Tornado warning. EAS. Let's listen.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for Durham County, southwestern Granville County, northeastern Orange County, north central Wake County until 6:45 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado over Sly, 8 miles northeast of Hillsborough, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. 2-inch diameter hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour are also likely with this storm. Locations include this includes Interstate 85 between exits 170 and 184. This includes Interstate 540 between exits 2 and 11. This includes the Durham Freeway between exits 6 and 16. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado, making it difficult to see. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Please report severe weather to the nearest law enforcement agency and ask them to relay your report to the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Raleigh. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Durham, Granville, Orange, and Wake.
Alright, so as you just heard, that was the tornado warning, so we're gonna go upstairs. And that should turn off in a second. Okay. Alright, so it's right over there as you see. Alright, so let me go ahead and put away the radio. Alright, that's the data probe. Sorry. So we're gonna spawn our car, even though we are citizen. We can change teams too if we wanted to. Here, let me do that. Storm chaser. Yeah. There. We'll go ahead and get rid of that. Yeah, so you can be either a citizen or a storm chaser. And so we'll spawn our sedan. Ooh, that was a nice lightning strike there. Yes, it'll get bigger as it goes. Ooh. Yeah, so it's pretty far out now. Not going to be able to catch up to it. Yeah, so we're not going to be able to catch up to it. It's pretty far out. Ooh, that was a Alright, let's go back in. There's no way we're gonna be able to catch up to it. Unless if it comes back this way, I don't know. Right now it's the EF0. Yeah, the strongest one is the EF5, which is incredible. So video format. Yeah, those sirens are going off on it. So it might grow. And it looks like it just downgraded to a severe thunderstorm warning. I don't think it's gonna say anything about that. Yeah, so it might disappear, so we'll probably give it a minute. But we'll have this out just in case. Yes, it didn't take long at all for the tornado to disappear like that. We'll go back upstairs really quick. I don't know if there will be another, but we'll have to wait and see. I'm just gonna watch on the left if anything else happens or if anything changes. Maybe it might and maybe it might not. I don't know. Looks like the coming back this way. Changes or
it's the thrill of one more kill, the last one to fall. We'll never sacrifice their will.
Alright, so it looks like no weather warnings at this time. Clouds are still here though, but we'll see what happens. We'll see if the clouds might disappear. We'll see what happens anyway. Right now, I'll just put away the radio. So there's the inside of the elevator. I don't want to try and see what happens, but I mean, I guess, but if you hit -2, this is what happens. It doesn't stop and it just does that. No. I was just checking my player list. Sorry. Alright, so right now there's no signs of weather warnings at this time, but it might change again, so we'll see. Right now we have my cyclone, or Miss Cyclone, I think it is. So yeah. I'm just watching the radar right now. Yeah, so right now they're still lightning and thunder. Oh, looks like the clouds just disappeared, and it still left the tracks of right. Let me see. Yep, and it still left the tracks of the tornado. Right, so we're gonna go back upstairs. It was on siren mode. So the clouds have disappeared. Alright, so we're gonna wait and see if we get another storm. So we might, but it just depends on what's gonna happen.
It's like a loop machine.
So we're just gonna watch the radar, I guess. See if any more clouds come back out. If not, and we'll just wrap it up. Yeah, so far nothing. I mean, it'll probably just take like a couple minutes or so. Alright, so we'll see what happens. Give it another. Yeah, so we'll give it a minute.
It's like a loop machine.
Yeah, so far nothing right now. Yeah, I don't think there will be another incoming storm. Guess we can wait a little bit. Yeah, I don't know if it's I don't know if there will be any more storms coming, but I'm just watching the radar right now, as you see.
Dev Con 1.
Yeah, so it looks like nothing's happening right now. Give it a couple more minutes and then back up. I thought it might not be anymore.
The Weekend Warriors. Once a year,
I guess there might not be any more storms coming right now at the moment, so
to rise above themselves for a ritual fight.
I'm going to put the radio away. And get out of first person. Change teams. Back to citizen. Right to where we were. And this is where I'm going to go ahead and wrap up my live videos. So, thank you so much for watching this live video. I really do appreciate it. I know it's not like a very long one, but, oh, wait a minute. As I was about to wrap it up, we get another storm. Here we go.
To begin, close your eyes, clench your teeth, and take the jump. No ducks.
Yep, as I...
No glory. Def Con 1.
I guess it did take a little bit for the storm to come back. Looks like it spawned right where little further away from us. Alright, so we'll wait for the the weather warning thing to change, and then we'll wait.
Are to be broken. For new adventures to begin. Close your
Alright, so watch as the alright, so we're gonna watch the left side of the screen, and then we'll look, and we're also gonna watch for the LCD screen on the radio and the LED light indicator. So I'm just trying to adjust it. Okay. Now we just wait. There it is. It changed. And there it goes.
The National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, western Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin until 6:30 p.m. At 5:38 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Lake Geneva and moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Elkhorn, Lake Geneva, Twin Lakes, East Roy, Union Grove, Wind Lake, Genoa City, Pell Lake, Powers Lake, Honors Lake, Silver Lake, Burlington Airport, Browns Lake, Potter Lake, Rochester, Eagle Lake, Waterford North, Tibbetts, Abel's Corners, and Spring Prairie. This storm has exhibited some weak rotation. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although one is not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room.
Alright, so as you heard, that was another severe thunderstorm warning in this area here. Or to disappear, there it is. Okay. Yeah, so it's right over there this time, as you just saw. We better head back into the basement in here now. Alright, so we're just... So we'll just wait for it, and then we're gonna watch the My Cyclone and the weather warning thing, and then the the LCD screen and all that. So I'm gonna wait for it to change. Oh, there it is.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for Durham County, southwestern Granville County, northeastern Orange County, north central Lake County until 6:45 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado overslide 8 miles northeast of Hillsborough, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. 2-inch diameter hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour are also likely with this storm. Locations impacted include Bahama, Durham, Gorman. This includes Interstate 85 between exits 170 and 184. This includes Interstate 540 between exits 2 and 11. This includes the Durham Freeway between exits 6 and 16. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado, making it difficult to see. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Please report severe weather to the nearest law enforcement agency and ask them to relay your report to the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Raleigh. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Durham, Granville, Orange, and Wake.
Alright, so as you just heard, that was the tornado warning. Wait for it to disappear. There. Yeah, so there's no music going on because it's removed for copyright. So the tornado's over there. Wait. Okay, yeah, it's over there, way over there. Alright, so let's go ahead back down. We're not gonna go after it because, like I said, it's, yeah, it's right over there. Oh. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so, it's pretty far away from here, so we're not gonna go after it. It might change here in a minute, but we'll see what happens. So we're just gonna watch the my cyclone or Mess cyclone, I think, and we're gonna watch the tornado up there, and we'll see what we're gonna watch the. It might change, it might not, we'll see. It might upgrade, it might downgrade, we'll see. So I'm just gonna move. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it's Gonna downgrade. Because I was looking at the mile per hour wind speed. Because it looks like it's gonna downgrade. So it might not. Yeah. It looks like it is gonna downgrade. Yep, it just downgraded to a mesh cyclone. And then to a severe thunderstorm warning. So it's probably gonna downgrade to no weather warning. But we'll see what happens. Alright, so once the it all disappears, alright, so we're gonna watch. Yeah, so it looks like it's probably gonna downgrade from here. Just give it a few minutes. Alright, so we're still waiting for it to downgrade. Yep, so there is the tracks from the tornado that happened already. I want to see the... Okay. Alright. Is it going to downgrade? Alright, I'm just making sure that no one else is here. Alright, we're just still waiting for it to downgrade. Oh, there it is. It just changed to no weather warning. So now we just gotta wait for the clouds to disappear. Yeah, so Yeah, I'm just watching it. So it's probably gonna take a couple minutes for it to for it to disappear. Alright, so we're just waiting for it to disappear. So we'll go ahead and change teams and go outside. There it is. It just disappeared. Alright, well, this is where I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And again, if you liked my live video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my new live videos. Anyways, this is Trayman/Tech Guy, and I will see you in my next live video, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Take care.